All right, gentlemen, we've been over the rules. Protect yourself at all times. Follow my instructions. We're gonna keep this clean. Touch gloves now if you wish to. All right, let's do this. Fight.
Sit low. Sit low, sit low. Range, range. Range. Range.
Let him come!
Don't chase. Build. Nice. Keep the angle. Breathe, relax.
Ой, ту сторону забегай, забегай ногами.
Keep the angle.
Keep the ankle! Okay, play guard! Play guard! Bend the legs! Bend the legs!
30 секунд! Khabib! 30 секунд! 30 секунд! 30 секунд! Молодец! Молодец!
20 seconds! 20 seconds! Calm.
Stop.
You know the shots get slower as the rounds go on. That was his absolute best there.
Deep breaths, relax.
No stand up. Everything for the takedown. Everything you're doing. I don't care what anybody says. I need you to stay on track. Do not stay in front of him. Listen to me. Do not stay in front of him. Keep doing Ken Velasquez style. You understand me?
Back, behind the block. Behind the block. Behind the block. Behind the block. Fight.
Level. Sting. Range. Level.
Руку подними!
Давай, пройди, сделай свое дело. Relax.
Go to the takedown! Go to the takedown! Takedown!
Out the center.
Садись!
Back on the cage.
Да, локти! Забирай спину! Дышать надо, Khabib, дышать!
Дыши!
Let's talk now. Let's talk.
Don't take a point if you knee him in the head. Keep your toes out of the fence. Toes out of the fence.
What a stand-up, brilliant. Okay, it's those low singles coming from halfway across the cage now. You can spend the first minute just getting your recovery. So push him back at your jab.
Kane!
Pull out, pull. It's coming, pull. There you go. Relax. Yes.
Just keep breathing, breathing, breathing. He's using his energy. Just breathe, Conor.
Work.
Hey,
Hey, watch that. That's the back of the head. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Stop. Stop. Hey, stop. Stop.
Hey!
Stop. Stop.
Let's go.
Listen, can you punch hard and go for the takedown? This is the fourth round. Drink some water. Drink some water. Here.
No,
Drink some
too
water.
much, too much.
Okay. Here.
you need your toe to clean up.
That one was. The other ones weren't. The other ones were here. Conor, that was to the back of the head. Stay inside the rules. Don't get me in here.
Эй, Khabib! Эй, позицию не теряй! Не теряй позицию! Одна рука снизу! Не теряй позицию!
grabbing his shorts, Herb.
Okay, it's okay.
Hey, shorts!
He's grabbing his shorts. He didn't watch the shorts.
자, 불 빠졌습니다. 불 빠졌습니다.